Hello and welcome to the first podcast on the topic of handling. My name is Nicholas Schaefer. I work at ARKU as an application engineer in the area of parts handling. This episode is specifically about autonomous parts handling for precision levelers. The actual leveling process for stress-relieved parts only takes a few seconds. The majority of the time is taken up by loading and unloading the parts via a crane. This is where the vision robot comes into play. The efficiency gain, thanks to the autonomous process, is quickly noticeable. The process starts with the preparation of the parts. These are moved into the cell on a pallet and placed in the designated work area. An empty pallet is also needed for placing the leveled parts later on. The safety fence is closed. The process can begin. Subsequently, the processing starts via the push of a button on the control panel. During the scanning process, the robot scans the full pallet and automatically records the part geometry. Here, the gripping points are calculated so that the part is gripped in the most effective way. The empty pallet is then scanned. Based on the entire geometry data of the material thickness and quality, the robot independently decides which gripper is best suited for lifting. If the gripper needs to be changed, the robot automatically moves to the gripper changeover station. Here it selects between magnetic grippers and a vacuum gripper for non-magnetic parts. With the correct gripper, the robot starts its processing, takes the parts from the pallet, and places them onto the roller conveyor. Following the leveling process, the part is inspected and conveyed back again. The robot scans the part, then grips the part and places it onto the empty pallet. In the process, the initial position of the full pallet is mirrored onto the empty pallet. After the last part has been placed on the pallet, the robot checks the new empty pallet to see if all parts have been processed and then moves to its parking position. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you and see you soon.